In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively keep track of your favorite cryptocurrencies using CoinMarketCap's watchlist feature. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, keeping an eye on specific coins is essential for making informed decisions and staying updated on market trends. Let's dive into this simple yet powerful process that you can easily follow along with. To get started, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to CoinMarketCap. It's a popular site that's a go-to for many in the crypto world. Here, you have access to a comprehensive list of cryptocurrencies, along with their market data, helping you stay on top of critical financial information. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, the next step is to direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. This is your gateway to finding detailed information about almost any cryptocurrency out there. Imagine you're interested in keeping tabs on a specific coin, like Solana. Simply click on the search bar and start typing Solana, or the name of any coin that piques your interest. After typing in the name, press Enter, and this will take you to the detailed page dedicated to that particular coin. On this page, you'll see a plethora of information, including price, market cap, latest news, and other insightful data. But what we are specifically interested in today is the option to add this coin to your watch list. You'll notice a little star icon right next to the coin's name. This is what allows you to personalize your watch list. By clicking that star, you're essentially bookmarking this coin for easy access later on. The star will change to a vibrant yellow, providing a satisfying visual confirmation that the coin has been successfully added to your watch list. Now that you've added a coin, you'll want to know how to view this curated list of favorites. Head back to the CoinMarketCap homepage. On this main page, look for the watchlist section. It's your personal hub where all the coins you've starred are conveniently collected, allowing you to glance through their current standings, recent fluctuations, and other relevant data without having to search for them individually again and again. This simple process can transform how you interact with the cryptocurrency market, making it easier to manage your interests and make informed decisions based on the most up-to-date information. With your coins safely tucked into your watch list, you can now monitor trends more efficiently, ensuring you never miss out on important movements in the market. So there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a tailored list of your favorite cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, making your trading experience more streamlined and effective. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been both informative and practical. Until next time, happy tracking and investing.